This is a controversial story, Kevin, but one that we think that tells us a lot about the state of the world.
So today we are talking with Roy Lee. He is a sophomore at Columbia University
For now.
for at least the next couple of days. And he has gotten a lot of attention in recent days for something that he's been doing to apply for jobs in the tech industry.
What has he been doing, Kevin?
So Roy has developed a tool called Interview Coder that basically uses AI to help job applicants to big tech companies cheat on their interviews.
Yeah.
So in a lot of tech interviews, they do these things called leak code problems, where basically the recruiter or the person who's supervising the interview from the tech company will watch you kind of solve a tricky computer science problem, and they'll do this remotely. And so Roy had this idea, well, these AI systems are getting quite good at solving these kind of problems. What if you could just kind of like have the AI running in the background telling you how to solve the problem, and you could kind of make that undetectable to the company?
Yeah, and to prove that this worked, Roy applied for jobs at several big companies, including Amazon, and he says wound up getting offers from all of them after using this tool. And after he began promoting this story online, well, that's when all hell broke loose.
Yeah, so he has become sort of a villain to a lot of tech employers and people doing these kinds of interviews, but he's become a hero to a bunch of younger programmers who think that these practices, these hiring tests, these puzzles that you give people when they're looking for jobs are outdated, and that they need to be sort of exposed as being bad and wrong, and that we need to come up with something better to replace them.
Yeah, and Kevin, I am sure that some listeners are going to hear this segment and they are going to email us and they are going to say, shame on you. Why are you giving this guy a platform? We shouldn't be rewarding people for cheating. But I have to tell you, as we sat with it, we thought this is a story that tells us a lot about the present moment. The nature of software engineering is changing. The nature of hiring is changing. What should employers be looking for and how should they test for it? These questions are getting a lot more complicated as AI improves. And Roy's story, I think, illustrates how quickly things are changing in a way that is just honestly worth hearing more about.